Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into small bathroom design tips that will transform your tiny space into a stylish and functional oasis. Layouts? Don't worry, creative solutions are here to help. Start by visualizing your ideal bathroom, focusing on efficient layouts and space-saving fixtures. Consider a sleek, wall-mounted sink or a compact toilet to free up valuable space. Maximize your space with smart storage solutions. Think vertical shelves, floating cabinets, and innovative storage hacks. Embrace light, neutral colors, and reflective surfaces to create an airy, open feel. Remember, every inch counts, so get creative. Install corner shelves, use under-sink storage, and keep your space clutter-free with smart organizers. Transform your small bathroom into a beautiful, functional retreat. Roll up your sleeves and let's get started. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.